HORIBA Scientific's XGT9000SL, the X-ray analytical microscope with a super large chamber, enables ultra-small spot elemental analysis for your extra-large wafer samples. The SL brings the industry-leading non-destructive contamination analysis and multi-layer thickness measurement of the XGT9000 series to wafers as big as 12 inches. The XGT9000SL has 3 illumination modes for clear and detailed imaging of various sample types. This flexible illumination captures clear images of bump patterns, detects physical defects and foreign matter on reflective surfaces, and reveals the composition inside the wafer as well as on the surface. The optical design includes a 10-micron probe and vertical irradiation for precise and accurate multi-layer measurement with no parallax error. The attachable wafer holder can set samples of various sizes easily and safely. The XGT9000SL, the complete solution for elemental analysis of extra-large wafer samples.